Cooper Hush to Arizona.
To Arizona? By this?
Yeah. Hey!
That's great.
That's right. Hey, Cooper! No!
Sir, can I take a picture for you?
Sure. Yeah. Cooper!
We can take a picture.
Yeah, you can. Get it.
Tell me, لخص selfie.
Yeah, I started in Phoenix. Cooper, hush!
Wow, that's great, really.
You
started from Phoenix?
And went up the whole west coast from San Diego to Seattle.
Okay, you went from Phoenix to San Diego, then San Diego to
Seattle.
Wow.
And now I'm heading back down to Phoenix.
Wow, that's awesome.
It's about
And you went from Seattle to here? Like
Seattle
to Boise,
Montana.
Spokane, and
Yeah, Montana.
nice.
Now I'm heading back.
And for how long did that take?
Almost 5 months.
5 months. When did you start?
Pretty slow. March 31st.
March 31st. I mean, that's
Actually,
awesome.
this is my first time to meet someone who would do this. And it's
nice.
really exciting, actually. I think you're having fun with it.
Oh yeah, especially in California and Oregon, and they were really nice. You know, going up.
Oh, you have been in Oregon?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, stayed in the campgrounds there. They're like $5 a night. So.
Okay. And you stay every night anywhere, or just you find like gas stations or small towns?
Sometimes small town parks. Cooper, no.
Do you mind if I take a picture?
Oh, that's fine. Yeah. Campgrounds, rest areas, any place that looks safe.
Yeah.
And these two, they always, if people come around the tent, they always let me know. They're kind of my little guard.
Oh, okay. So they're helping you.
My little guard dogs, yeah.
They went to ASU for my English program.
To ASU?
ASU, yeah,
Oh,
in Tempe, yeah.
That's
for
where
a
I
year
got-
and a half.
Oh, that's
That
where
was 3 years ago.
That's where I got my degree from, ASU.
ASU, yeah, it's an awesome place. Now I go to Idaho,
In Tempe.
like Idaho State University in Pocatello.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Did you pass by there or?
Yeah, yesterday.
Okay. Yesterday you were there.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir?
Tim.
Tim.
Tim Johnson.
Vader.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
And then Abdullah.
Oh, nice to
Really
meet
glad
you.
to meet you.
Yeah.
And you're like videoing everything?
Yeah, I like to video and
Are you gonna upload it like on YouTube or something?
if I have time, I will. Yeah.
I would love to see it.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah, sure. Yeah. By the way, my name is Bander.
where are you all from?
Saudi Arabia.
Oh, okay.
Safe trip.
You too. I hope your tire. You.
Yeah, it's just like what's happened when he passed you. I don't know. Maybe that's good thing to meet you. Yeah.
Could be. Yeah.
Yeah. Good luck.
Alrighty.
Okay. Thank you. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. You too. So the reason those guys were pulled over is they had a tire blowout right when they were passing me. Actually, some of the pieces of the tire hit me. I don't think they knew that. So as I was passing them, they wanted to talk and make, you know, and which was kind of fun. I enjoyed it. They're from Saudi Arabia, if you probably heard that, studying here in the U.S. And one of them went to ASU even. That was kind of cool. So, nice guys. Hopefully they don't have any problem changing that tire, but chunks of it are kind of like what I'm dodging right now, these pieces of tire. And I was wondering if I'd ever see anybody have a blowout. There's so much pieces of tire on the road. I was wondering if, you know, when do they happen? And now it, you know, it happened right next to me. I suppose I should be happy that it was just a tire from a Volkswagen and not one of the tires from one of the semi trucks. That could really hurt. But they seem like nice guys. And just another interesting thing that happens on the road. Kind of shows if you talk to people, you often find things in common. You can find things in common. You know, I spent a little time in the Middle East. Abu Dhabi, they're from Saudi Arabia. So, just a strange coincidence that happened right next to me. And I hope they get their tire fixed and back on the road. And they want to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. That's cool.